Mark Tomasino, General Mechanical Contracting. We're in Auburn, Mass. We've been established for about 60 years now. We run about 125, 130 people here. We're a mechanical contractor from piping, ductwork, service, controls, CAD drawing departments. We had an older line. It was Engel, early 70s. We upgraded last year to a new U-shape, saved a little bit of floor space as we're tight on space here. We did look at the Vicon, and we like the Engel machine and the support. They've taken care of the troubles, as we set the machine up. Any problems we've had, they went through it, and the machine is very fast compared to what we had. My guys like the machine that we have set up. Makes money for me. Machine has some options in it we like. We like the slip and drive. Our old one did not have that. The wraparound brake is a very nice brake on it. Hole punch, and even down to the glue, because we have to seal our systems and pressure test them. As far as maintenance, other than greasing it, we haven't really had any other problems with it. It's been here for about a year now. We have 2 people that run that machine and maintain it in the shop.